If I could just find a way to get inside your heart, I would be the luckiest guy. If I could just be the one who'd be by your side, just a chance to feel what it's like. And I'd do anything to be in their shoes, 'cause I know I could give even more. Baby, this love, it's all that I've got, more than diamonds and pearls and all the wealth in this world. Baby, this love, it is all that I've got, but I know it's gonna last forever and ever. Love, it's all that I've got. It's all that it is love.
Please forgive Nixon.
Nico, please forgive Nixon for whatever he did to you. I'm sure Nico loves you.
Nico, sorry daw sabi ni Nixon. Bati na raw kayo.
Nico, patawarin mo na si Nixon. Masyadong maikli ang buhay para maghalit sa isa't isa. Okay?
Hi Nico, I think Nixon says sorry, so I hope you work things out.
Hi, Nico! Naku, pagpasensyahan mo na si Nixon, ha? Ang gwapo-gwapo niya, kaya minsan di na niya, alam mo yun, di na niya alam kung anong gagawin niya. Sa attention, ganyan, pati ako nababaliw sa kanya. So, tignan mo na lang yung face niya, makukitan ka rin sa kanya. Sorry daw.
Nico, kindly forgive Nixon for what he's done. He really put in an effort to ask people, to ask for your forgiveness. So, sige na, patawarin mo na siya.
Nico, please forgive Nixon for what he did. I'm sure he doesn't hate it.
Can you please forgive Nixon na bati na kayo, ha? Isipan mo mabuti kung pagpapatawarin mo daw si Nixon, ha? Pero kung nag-e-effort naman, second chance?
Nico, I'm sorry, sabi ni Nixon.
Thank you. Hi, Nico. Forgive him. Nobody is perfect, and it is because of the imperfection of people that makes us human. And we appreciate people because of their humanity. Kung nagkakamali ang tao, napapatunay lamang na tao lamang sila. At tao ka rin. Kaya kung bibigyan mo ng pagpapahalaga ang iyong katauhan, bibigyan mo rin ng pagpapahalaga ang kakulangan ng iba, lalong-lalo na siya. So patawarin mo na. Kung hindi, hahanapin kita at gagantihan kita. Ganun lang yun. Okay?
This love is all that I've got.